So here we have 12 kg dual system, automatic fire suppression detection running through, as you can see, running through down here to the engine area, around the hydraulics, down to the slew ring, underneath the cabin, protecting all items within that area. We only use the wet cylinder for cooling superheated components, not as a fire put down. That's the dry powder. When the dry powder is deployed, it will kill the fire instantly, and to make sure of reflash doesn't happen again, the foam comes in, cools the superheated components like the exhaust, the DPF, the manifold, the turbo. All the superheated areas are contained and cooled. Any debris left at the bottom, or oils or greases or residue, will be covered by the foam at that point. So for normal everyday operational daily checks, we have an end of line gauge here as well. So you've got one on each cylinder shown up there on the top of the machine. You've also got a series of nozzles. You've got one here, which obviously covers the slower part of the engine, which will also cover the radiator. Another one at the top part of the engine, up there across the top. Another one here underneath, and another one over here. So the detection tube is marked with the stickers as you see here and here, all around the engine area, the hydraulics, the slew ring, all around the machine effectively where the risks are. The moment of a flame of 180 degrees, this pressurized tube, charged at 25 bar, will burst, which will then open up the valves on top of the cylinder and will discharge the dry powder through these nozzles located around here and on the other side of the machine where you've already seen. So there we have it, guys. This was a walk round today of the road railers that are owned by Explore. Hopefully you've learned something from it, but the one thing you can always guarantee in life, fires will happen. Make sure you invest right. Buy once, buy right, buy Fireward.